You won't believe what happened after my stepson's engagement party. What should have been a perfect night turned into a complete disaster. My stepson Rowan just got engaged to a wonderful girl from a conservative family. After celebrating at a restaurant, I was driving everyone home, including Rowan and his friend Jack. We stopped at a store while my wife went inside. While waiting in the car, a young woman walked by to her parked car. That's when things went downhill. Rowan and Jack started making inappropriate comments toward her. They were catcalling and making her visibly uncomfortable. I told them to stop immediately. Instead of apologizing, Rowan responded sarcastically, claiming he was just giving her a compliment. As the car owner in their ride, I couldn't let this disrespectful behavior slide. I demanded both Rowan and Jack get out of my car. My wife returned during the argument and defended her son's actions, saying it was just typical behavior. She insisted I couldn't make him walk home from his own engagement party. I gave her a choice: stay or get in the car. She chose to leave with me, but the tension was far from over.